Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is.
Happy birthday, Kairis. Wish ko lang always a good health. Yun naman yung lagi nating tsaka yung faith natin kay God. Pagtibayin natin whatever na maging trials in your paglaki. Laging si God yung isa-center natin sa life natin. Yun lang. Again, happy 7th birthday. God bless you all the time.
Happy birthday, Blair. Wishing you more birthdays to come to celebrate with your family. And wish ko na sana ipagpatuloy mo ang iyong pagiging mabuting bata at lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. And then, good health always. God bless. Happy birthday ulit, Blair. Thank you.
This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Wish ko lang kay Kairis sana lumaki pa rin siyang mabait, sweet, tapos ganun pa rin siya sa akin. Sana pa rin, magkasama pa rin kami hanggang paglaki niya.
Hi Kairis, happy birthday! Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo at lagi kang sumunod ng bata. Pangarap namin sa inyo makatapos kayo pag-aaral at sana maging magaling kang anak at masunurin at malayo sa kapahamakan. Salamat po. Happy birthday!
Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh.
Happy birthday, Kairis. Mahal na mahal kita. Sana pagpatuloy mo ang pagiging sweet mo, mabait, malambing, at pagpatuloy mo ang magandang asal at parating magdasal. Happy birthday ulit. I love you.
I just wanna dive into the blue. Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck golden rush.
Kairis, yung pinanganak ko siya, grabe. Super saya din namin kasi tuwang-tuwa kami kasi first baby namin siya na babae.
Well, si Kairis kasi is unexpected baby, so hindi namin siya inaasahan na talaga na lalabas na dahil sa kanya masaya-masaya kami dahil nagkaroon kami ng baby girl.
Kalambing na bata, kahit minsan masungit, pero malambing po yung bata niya. I love you, huwag kang magbabago, lagi kang sweet lagi kay mami, kay daddy, ganyan. Yun lang, mahal na mahal kita, baby.
Sana pagpatuloy mo yung pagiging mapagbigay, napaka-generous na bata, pagiging sweet, napaka-malambing. Medyo masungit pero grabe kong maglambing. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng mami mo.
Thank you kay Tito Dre. Thank you, Tito Dre.
This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is
birthday. Wish ko all the best for you. Stay as sweet as you are. Love you. God bless.
Ay na, happy birthday. Sana lumaki kang mabuting bata, sumunod lang sa magsaba. Tamang pagdasaling. Happy birthday.